Allow the youth to do their significant things. Allow us to do it. This is our chairman. See, we can't hide chairman from the people. Raise the hand, I beg. Abure! 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 Labor! 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 God bless you, sir. It's significant. Yeah, we have been here for the reason of a country that must not collapse. For us, it's not about Dr. Julius Abure. It's not about Labour Party, but it's about a Nigeria that is possible for our own children and the next generation. But we will not sit down in our comfort zone and see miscreants want to take over the party that belongs to the Nigerian people. Anyone whom have decided to collect whatsoever from anybody, whether APC or PDP, we will not allow them have a breathing space under the Labour Party. Yes. We voted for Labour Party. We voted for Peter Obi. We are in court because the President of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, in connivance with the INEC chairman to take the vote of the Nigerian people by hook or by crook, we say no. The reason why we are here is to pay homage and to pay solidarity. INEC chairman cannot plant miscreants in Labour Party. PDP cannot plant miscreants in Labour Party. APC cannot plant miscreants in Labour Party. We have decided to say no to miscreants. We are here to say yes to Labour Party. We are here to say yes to Peter Obi. We are here to say yes to every chairman representing the 36 states and the FCT right in this gathering. We are saying yes to the Nigerian people. We are saying yes to the vote we gave to Peter Obi. And we are here to say yes to our country called Nigeria. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I think it is time for the Labour Party chairman to speak to the people who voted for Peter Obi using his party. If you know, and you know, and you know, and you know, and you know, you love Peter Obi, say Labour Party. Labour Party. If you know, and you know, and you know, that you believe in the leadership of Julius Abure, say Abure! Abure! If you know and you know and you know that Nigeria will change with Labour Party as the power behind 2023 general election, I want you to give 3 Bosa to this party. Bosa! 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 Chairman, the floor is yours.
All of you for paying this solidarity visit. I want to seize this opportunity to also appreciate all the state chairmen that left their other crowded engagements to also be in this gathering today. I appreciate all other members of the National Working Committee who are here. I appreciate all members of the support group who are here today, who were in court and who are also here. I want to appreciate the NLC, I appreciate the TUC, who mobilized workers in their numbers today to be present in court, and they are also here. I have listened carefully to your address and your presentation, and to say that I appreciate you for coming to pay this solidarity visit. As we always say, we are law-abiding citizens. We have tried and we have obeyed the court's restraining order. And by today, the judge gave a ruling assuming jurisdiction. I need to make it abundantly clear that the substantive matter itself has not started. There was a motion, there was a preliminary objection to the jurisdiction of the court. And the court today assumed jurisdiction. And for me, I'm ready to go on appeal. In the next few hours, we will be submitting our notice of appeal to the court, and will remove all the matters from that court and take it to the Court of Appeal. I believe that I will get justice in the Court of Appeal. I believe that Labour Party will get justice in the Court of Appeal. Yes. Because this same court in the FCT in 2023, in the case of Suleiman against APC, did the same thing. And the law reports Suleiman against APC 2023, a law report decided by the Supreme Court made it very clear that these matters before the court has no jurisdiction. And so that's where we are standing. And I believe that whatever the judge has done today cannot stand before the Court of Appeal. I have confidence that the Court of Appeal will do the right thing, and therefore all our papers will be in by today, and I'm sure that by Monday the appeal will be ceased. And so I want to assure all our supporters, all our members, that they should remain calm. I remain the national chairman of the party. The party is...
Correct.
Labour Party is a democratic institution. Yes. And you don't use coup d'etat to take over the leadership of the party.
That's right.
You don't take over the leadership of the party from the back door. What Papa and Co try to do, although we understand them because they have been paid by their paid masters. Yes, yes. If you look at the statement they have made today, they are talking about the tribunal. Whatever they say is about the tribunal. Whatever they say is about the tribunal. And it's no longer news that these disgruntled Labour Party members have been paid to truncate the cases in tribunal. If you look at all their interviews, it is tailored towards that. Even today, they are also talking about the tribunal. And therefore, they are only satisfying their paymasters. So we urge our party members to disregard them. You don't take over the leadership of the party from the back door. Nobody appointed them. And the constitution of the party is clear as to how you remove a national chairman, how new one should emerge, who should monitor it, and so on and so forth. So it is very clear that they are trying to satisfy their paymasters, and it's unfortunate that this group of people found themselves in Labour Party. But obviously I'm not worried, because the time has come for us to separate the wheat from the shaft. The party was a small party, and therefore we accommodated all forms of charlatans in the party, all forms of dubious people in the party. These are people who didn't offer anything to the party. Our Papa scored 0 in Oyo State in the presidential election. Arababi, who is claiming to be the public secretary, scored 0 in Ogun State in the presidential election. They even supported other candidates in other political parties. They should go and check the record. In Edo, I scored 79% in the presidential election. I ensured that APC and PDP did not get 25% in the presidential election. In the House of Assembly election, in spite of the dollars, in spite of the harassment that was deployed by PDP government in Edo State, I am the only national chairman that won my word hands down. My performances as the national chairman of this party is not in doubt. I inherited a party that was in arrears of salary payments. I inherited a party that has no image, and today I have made the party the #1 party in Nigeria. In this party, I have paid my dues. I've been here for 20 years, building this party, and today I challenge all other national chairmen of the party. None of them have performed to the level I have performed. And the records are clear. And so for charlatans to come and say they want to take over the party. We laugh at them, we sympathize with them. And I urge Nigerians, whatever information they are getting from them, they are fake news. They try to talk about forgery. What is forgery? Who forged the document? How were those documents forged? Anyway, it is not my intention to talk about that one. But to reassure you that we are in control of the party. I remain the national chairman of the party.
And we are not divided.
And I assure you that we continue to provide leadership. Our cases in court, we continue to defend them. Our House of Rep cases, we defend them to the end. Our senatorial cases, we defend them to the end. And the presidential election petition will defend to the end. Yes, no amount of distraction will stop us from attaining it. I listen to you clearly. You are dreaming for a new Nigeria. And I want to say clearly that no man, no woman, no amount of intimidation, no amount of harassment, no amount of 100 of our papa can stop an idea whose time has come. The time has come for Nigerians to take back their country. The time has come for Labour Party to be in government. And nothing will stop us. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you. Before Chicken is over. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Hey, don't be smart.